In the digital age, where communication channels abound, email marketing remains a cornerstone of successful sales strategies. The power of email marketing lies in its ability to deliver targeted messages directly to the inbox of potential customers, fostering engagement, building relationships and driving sales. With its unmatched reach, cost-effectiveness and measurability, email marketing continues to be a potent tool for sales professionals seeking to maximize their impact and achieve tangible results. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the transformative power of email marketing in sales and provide strategies to help you harness its full potential to drive success. Understanding email marketing. Email marketing is more than just sending promotional messages. It's about delivering value and building relationships with your audience. Understand the principles of permission-based marketing and focus on providing relevant, valuable content that resonates with your subscribers' needs and interests. By nurturing relationships through email, you can cultivate trust and loyalty that translates into increased sales and customer retention. Building a quality email list. The foundation of successful email marketing lies in having a quality email list comprised of engaged subscribers who have opted in to receive your communications. Implement strategies to grow your email list organically, such as offering valuable incentives for sign-ups and optimizing your website and landing pages for conversions. Focus on attracting subscribers who are genuinely interested in your offerings, as they are more likely to convert into customers. Segmentation and personalization. One size does not fit all when it comes to email marketing. Segment your email list based on factors such as demographics, purchase history, and engagement level to deliver highly targeted messages to different audience segments. Personalize your emails with dynamic content, such as personalized product recommendations or tailored offers, to increase relevance and engagement. By delivering content that speaks directly to the needs and interests of each segment, you can maximize the effectiveness of your email campaigns. Compelling content creation. Content is king in email marketing. Create compelling, relevant content that provides value to your subscribers and addresses their pain points. Whether it's informative articles, how-to guides, or exclusive offers, aim to deliver content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Use attention-grabbing subject lines and captivating visuals to entice recipients to open and engage with your emails. Optimized email design and delivery. The design and delivery of your emails play a crucial role in their effectiveness. Create visually appealing email templates that are optimized for mobile devices and different email clients to ensure a seamless viewing experience for recipients. Pay attention to factors such as email frequency, timing, and send cadence to maximize open rates and engagement. Test different variables such as subject lines, CTAs, and email copy to identify what resonates best with your audience. Automation and workflow optimization. Leverage email marketing automation tools to streamline your workflow and deliver personalized, timely messages at scale. Set up automated email sequences such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups to nurture leads and guide them through the sales funnel. Use triggers and segmentation to send the right message to the right person at the right time, increasing efficiency and effectiveness. Measuring and analyzing performance. The success of your email marketing efforts hinges on your ability to measure and analyze key performance metrics. Track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI to gauge the effectiveness of your campaigns. Use A/B testing to experiment with different elements of your emails and optimize for better results over time. By leveraging data and insights, you can refine your email marketing strategy and maximize its impact on sales. Integration with sales processes. Email marketing should be integrated seamlessly with your sales processes to drive maximum results. Use email to nurture leads, qualify prospects, and move them through the sales funnel. Provide sales teams with insights and data from email campaigns to inform their follow-up and outreach efforts. By aligning your email marketing efforts with your sales goals and processes, you can drive synergy and maximize the impact on overall sales performance. Compliance and best practices. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations such as GDPR and K&Spam to maintain trust and credibility with your audience. Follow best practices for email marketing, such as providing clear opt-in and opt-out mechanisms, honoring unsubscribe requests promptly, and respecting user privacy. By demonstrating a commitment to ethical and responsible email practices, you can build trust and goodwill with your subscribers, enhancing the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. Continuous improvement and innovation. Email marketing is a dynamic and evolving field, and success requires a commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. Stay abreast of emerging trends, technologies, and best practices in email marketing, and be willing to experiment and iterate on your strategies. Solicit feedback from subscribers and analyze performance data to identify areas for improvement and optimization. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning and innovation, you can unlock the full potential of email marketing to drive sales and business growth. Email marketing remains a powerful and versatile tool for sales professionals seeking to maximize their impact and achieve tangible results. By understanding the principles of effective email marketing, building a quality email list, segmenting and personalizing your campaigns, and optimizing your email design and delivery, you can create engaging and compelling email experiences that drive sales and foster customer loyalty. By integrating email marketing seamlessly with your sales processes, measuring and analyzing performance, and adhering to best practices and compliance standards, you can unleash the full potential of email marketing to drive success in your sales efforts. With a commitment to continuous improvement and innovation, email marketing can be a game changer for businesses looking to achieve their sales goals and objectives.